Amen. Following our redemption song, we have Hashkivenu, our shelter prayer. And this prayer is so real right now for us. We will, sometimes we will put our prayer for shelter and our prayer for healing in the same moment and in the same melody. We're going to split them up this evening and just focus on each of these distinct forms of communication from the heart. The first being the prayer for shelter and for safety. We offer this prayer that's from our Mishkan Refuah, our Siddur for healing. And this is a prayer for all of those who right now in our community are engaged in the sacred act of helping. All of those who are in our world right now, a part of this army of compassion and love that is healthcare workers and professionals, that is caregivers, and that is volunteers who are delivering meals to those who are homebound right now. We keep all of them in our hearts. May the one who blessed and led our forebears give countenance unto those who provide help for the ill and the troubled among us. May they be filled with fortitude and courage, endowed with sympathy and compassion as they give strength to those at their side. May they fight against despair and continue to find within themselves the will to reach out to those in need. And in their love of others, may they feel the blessing of community and the blessing of renewed faith. And we say together, Amen. A prayer for medical scientists, written by Alden Solovey. God of wisdom, bless medical scientists and researchers around the world with insight and skill, dedication and fortitude as they combat coronavirus, so that their work yields knowledge and understanding, speedily finding a vaccine, treatments, and deterrence to its spread. Source of life, grant public health and government officials the strength to act swiftly and decisively, with compassion and understanding, in service to humankind fighting this outbreak and the other diseases that still plague the planet, diseases threatening the lives of our brothers and sisters, nations and communities, young and old. Rock of Ages, bring an end to disease and suffering so that all may know your compassion and your grace. Baruch atah Adonai, Rofei chol basar, umafli la'asot. Amen.